Hello and welcome to this video. This channel basically started with a tutorial series for the LEGO Powered Up app, and I stopped with the tutorial series because LEGO announced to make a new interface update. And of course it's bad if there's a new interface and the tutorial series doesn't use the new interface, it uses the old one, and then the tutorial doesn't make much sense. So I decided to restart the series, to make a reboot. For most parts, I will use the original sound recordings, but make new image recordings to show the new app. That's pretty easy for me to make, which is very good because I had problems in the past months to make videos because of timing constraints and similar things. So now there will be a reboot of the Powered Up tutorial series, and there will be a new part or a new old part every 2 weeks. So you can be pretty sure that there will be a new part every second week, starting from November. There won't be a part in this month, but from next month on, there will be a new part every second week. I also asked you if you want to see a new remake of the tutorial series, and there were 10 people who gave me their opinion, and of course 100% told me that they want a tutorial for the new user interface. That's just a joke. It was 80% and I changed the graphic a bit, but basically most of you want to have a tutorial series for the new user interface. You can already start if you use this block documentation from LEGO, and you can also use it in addition to my tutorial series. So if you want to use something which I didn't explain already, or if you want to do something further, then you can check this block documentation. It will be linked in the description of this video, and I'm pretty sure that it will be a helpful addition to my tutorial series. That was it for this video, so good news to everyone who's happy about the tutorial series, bad news to everyone who isn't interested in the tutorial series. But for me it's a very simple thing to do, because I don't have to do sound recordings. That's usually the most limiting factor of my videos. And now I can limit that factor so that it doesn't have so much impact on the recordings. Anyways, thanks for watching, see you in the tutorial series, and bye.